Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I will show you how to view comments on X. Okay, so let's open X on the phone and go to whatever post that you want to read comments on. So you have to tap just like empty space on the post. What I mean by saying empty space, do not tap on the image because it will simply open the photo. You have to just tap right here, and if you scroll down you will see all the comments that this post includes. And also you can sort those comments by tapping right here, and you can sort by latest, relevant, or likes. Yes, and also if you want to see your comments, your replies on X, then let's tap profile picture at the top left and go to your profile, and here you can see several sections such as posts, replies, highlights, etc. You want to go to replies tab, and here you will see all of your replies. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.